Say hello to your new kitchen shortcut, the Hamilton Beach electric vegetable chopper and mini food processor. This isn't just a chopper, it's your secret weapon. With a powerful 350-watt motor, it makes quick work of tough ingredients. Need a chunky salsa? Perfectly dice onions and peppers in seconds. Making a pesto or a marinade? Mince garlic and fresh herbs with one touch. How about a creamy hummus or baby food? Its 3-cup bowl is the perfect size to puree to perfection. It's fast, efficient, and when you're done, the bowl, lid, and blades are all dishwasher safe for super easy cleanup. Stop chopping, start creating. Find the Hamilton Beach 3-cup electric chopper, model 72850, online and in stores now. Number 2. Introducing the Hamilton Beach Stack and Snap Food Processor. The name says it all. No complicated assembly. Just stack the large 12-cup BPA-free bowl onto the base and snap the lid securely in place. It's that easy. And the power? A 450-watt motor and 2 speeds handle anything you throw at it. The stainless steel S-blade makes quick work of chopping nuts, onions, or pureeing sauces. Need to shred a block of cheese or sliced cucumbers for a salad? Just flip the reversible slicing and shredding disc. From perfect salsa to prepped veggies for the week, it's all done in a snap. Spend less time prepping and more time enjoying your food. Upgrade your kitchen today. Search for the Hamilton Beach Stack and Snap Food Processor, model 70725A. Number 3. The endless chopping, dicing, and shredding before you can even start cooking? What if all that prep work took seconds, not hours? Introducing the Cuisinart 14-cup food processor. This isn't just a vegetable chopper, it's your new secret weapon in the kitchen. With its extra-large 14-cup work bowl and stainless steel blades, you can shred a whole block of cheese for taco night in a flash. Mince garlic and herbs without the mess. Dice onions without the tears. Puree silky smooth soups and sauces. It even has the power to knead perfect pizza or bread dough. From weekday meals to holiday feasts, the heavy-duty motor base handles everything you throw at it. It's powerful, reliable, and looks beautiful on your counter in classic stainless steel. Stop prepping and start creating. Reclaim your time and unleash your creativity in the kitchen. Ask for the one that does it all, the Cuisinart 14-cup food processor, model DFP14BCNY. Number 4. Tired of endless chopping? The teary eyes from onions? Wish you could get dinner on the table just a little bit faster? Say hello to your new secret weapon, the Link Chef 8-cup food chopper. This isn't just a chopper, it's a powerhouse. The 600-watt motor and 4 sharp bi-level stainless steel blades work together to mince, grind, and puree in seconds. Go from whole garlic cloves to a perfect mince instantly. Create chunky salsa, smooth baby food, or perfectly chopped nuts for your baking. The large 2-liter bowl handles big jobs, and the stainless steel design is durable and cleans up in a flash. Stop spending your time chopping and start enjoying your food. Search for the Link Chef Food Chopper online. Tired of endless chopping? Wish you could get through meal prep in a fraction of the time? A powerful, quick whirr of the food chopper, followed by a satisfying ding. Meet your new kitchen powerhouse, the AMZ Chef Powerful Food Chopper. This isn't just any food processor. With a robust 500-watt motor and an incredible 6-blade system, it minces meat, purees vegetables, and crushes nuts in seconds. The 2-speed control gives you the power to go from a chunky salsa to a silky smooth baby food puree with the touch of a button. And forget plastic bowls that stain and crack. The AMZ Chef features a massive 12-cup stainless steel bowl. It's durable, easy to clean, and perfect for handling big batches for the whole family. It's your meat grinder, vegetable chopper, and food processor all in one sleek machine. Stop chopping and start creating. Make your kitchen life easier and more delicious. Search for the AMZ Chef Powerful Food Chopper on Amazon today.